Every single day holds the potential for transformation. In just 24 hours, a decision, an action, or even a single thought can redirect the course of your life. Time is often perceived as something vast and unmanageable. Yet when broken down into a single day, it becomes a powerful tool for change. What you choose to do today can set the foundation for your future, define your path, and unlock doors you never imagined possible. This is the power of a single day, an opportunity to reset, refocus, and reimagine your life. The mind is the starting point of any transformation. What you think about today, how you perceive the world, and the emotions you cultivate will directly impact the choices you make. The shift begins when you recognize that everything you need to change your life already exists within you. You don't need more time. You need a commitment to making the most of the time you have. The moment you realize this is the moment transformation begins. Imagine waking up with a deep awareness of the potential the day holds. Instead of falling into old habits or routines that no longer serve you, you make a conscious choice to embrace new possibilities. You decide to act with purpose, to pursue goals with passion, and to refuse the distractions that have held you back. Every hour becomes a chance to take one step closer to the life you desire. The beauty of transformation is that it does not require years of preparation. It only requires a decision to start. The small actions you take today will build momentum. Perhaps it's choosing to speak positively to yourself, shifting your inner dialogue from self-doubt to self-belief. Maybe it's deciding to move your body, engage in learning, or reconnect with a passion that once ignited your soul. Each choice creates ripples, expanding beyond this single day and shaping the days that follow. The commitment to improvement does not need to be overwhelming. It simply needs to be consistent. 1 hour of dedicated effort can lead to profound change. Transformation also requires letting go of limiting beliefs, negative influences, and the fear of failure. Too often, people delay change because they feel they are not ready, but readiness is a myth. The perfect moment does not exist. The only moment that matters is now. When you accept this, you free yourself from the constraints that have kept you from stepping into your potential. You begin to trust yourself, to take action despite uncertainty, and to find strength in the present. Consider how different your life could look if you approached each moment with intention. The person who takes control of today is the person who shapes tomorrow. Transformation does not require waiting for a new year, a new month, or a new opportunity. It happens the moment you decide to make today count. The power of 24 hours is undeniable. A single decision can lead to a breakthrough. A single action can shift your reality. A single day can change your life forever. Embrace the power of today. Make the choice to transform. The journey starts now. Every second of the day is an opportunity to make a conscious decision that propels you forward. Each hour is a chapter in the story of your personal growth. When you approach each day with this mindset, you begin to see that life is not something happening to you, but something you create with each choice you make. The way you spend today will determine the reality you wake up to tomorrow. One of the most transformative things you can do in a single day is to change the way you talk to yourself. The words you repeat in your mind shape your self-image and influence your actions. If you tell yourself that you are capable, strong, and worthy, you will begin to act accordingly. If you fill your mind with doubts, you will struggle to take action. Today is the perfect moment to rewrite your inner script. Replace self-criticism with encouragement. Replace fear with confidence. Replace hesitation with determination. Your habits shape your future. Every major change starts with small, repeated actions. If you dedicate today to improving a single habit, you set the foundation for long-term success. It might be choosing to wake up earlier, dedicating time to exercise, spending a few minutes reading a book that inspires you, or making a conscious effort to express gratitude. These small actions compound over time, leading to lasting transformation. The key is to start today and commit to consistency. Another essential aspect of transformation is the people you surround yourself with. In a single day, you can make the decision to distance yourself from negative influences and seek out relationships that uplift and inspire you. Energy is contagious, and when you surround yourself with motivated, positive individuals, their drive becomes your drive. If there are people in your life who drain your energy, today is the day to set boundaries and protect your mental and emotional well-being. That a transformational day also involves taking bold action toward your dreams. Fear of failure often keeps people stuck in inaction, but growth happens outside of your comfort zone. What is one thing you have been putting off because it feels too big or too uncertain? Today is the day to take the first step. Whether it's applying for a job, starting a project, reaching out to a mentor, or finally launching an idea you have been thinking about, taking action is what turns dreams into reality. One of the most overlooked yet powerful ways to transform your life in a single day is to practice gratitude. Shifting your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant in your life changes your entire perspective. Gratitude cultivates a sense of fulfillment, reduces stress, and attracts more positivity into your life. Take time today to reflect on the things you are grateful for and express appreciation to those who have positively impacted your journey. Physical well-being is another crucial factor in transformation. The way you treat your body affects your energy, mood, and overall ability to create change. Today, commit to making healthier choices. Drink more water, eat nourishing foods, move your body, and get enough rest. When you take care of yourself physically, you empower yourself mentally and emotionally to tackle challenges with strength and resilience. The core of transformation is the realization that you are in control of your life. External circumstances may influence your journey, but ultimately, it is your mindset and actions that define your reality. You have the power to change your story at any moment, and that moment can be today. The power of 24 hours is not just about making a single change. It's about setting the tone for the rest of your life. What you do today creates a ripple effect, shaping the weeks, months, and years ahead. Transformation does not have to be overwhelming. It starts with a single step. The decision to show up for yourself today, to take responsibility for your future, and to embrace the limitless potential within you is all it takes to set the wheels in motion. There is no better time than now. The power of 24 hours is in your hands. Make today the day that changes everything. Please guys visit our channel for more motivation videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share the video. Thanks for watching.